So We4We Media USA and worldwide. This is Fracas Mofai Amadi, and we're live and direct in Umezorokam Nekede, Owerri West Local Government Area. We're here with the GM of Imo Housing Corporation, Honorable Obi Mbakwe, or the other way around. Okay, so go ahead, sir. Please introduce yourself and let us know what we are doing here today.
We're on a site visitation, being the property. We're the property. We're on the instruction of His Excellency, the Governor of Imo State, to come back and reclaim what belongs to the people, back to the people.
Yes.
This layout is called the Reclamation layout, and our white paper was very explicit with it. We have come here to implement the contents of that white paper. We turn back these lands that were taken by the Okorocha administration back to the people. Yes. We're here making sure we do just that, making sure we claim back what belongs to Imo people back to Imo people. That's exactly what we're doing.
Yeah, real quickly, you mentioned Reclamation estate. They also have the prison estate right next to it, correct, right?
Yes, the prisons was also asked to be taken out. Prison has been given, the Okorocha administration built a prison headquarters on the other side of us, on about 14 hectares of land. So they cannot be there and be here as well. So the government has recover back the prisons layout, recover back that prison layout, and also give it back to the people. The prisons are over there. They have been settled over there on the 14 hectares of land. They have no need coming over here.
Yeah, so real quickly, the people are wondering, they appreciate, especially the Nigerians in the diaspora, they really appreciate what you're doing with the government in recovering the land and giving it back to the community. So the status quo is for the land to be reverted back to the original owners.
Yes,
is that the correct thing to
that's
do?
Status quo. Yes. When we take it back to the original owners. Now, when government wants to do something with this land, we'll go back to the original owners, sit on the table with them, discuss with them, and we'll now agree for the benefit of the entire Imo people what actually we want to use this place for.
Great. So for now, the original owners can go back to farming their original lands until the government approaches them for any further discussions in the future. So, sir, please, I know you've been doing a great job. Recently, some people came and pretended they were sent by you to take over Umezorokam lands, and I'm very grateful that you denied that. It was even in print. What do you have to say about those rogues trying to steal lands over here?
Like you have said,
our
office, I run a 24-hour office.
Yes.
I run an open door policy. Always come to the office. You would always see me seated to make inquiries. And once I hear that the office name, the Imo Housing Corporation as an institution is being used to take over land, I would always go to the press. I would always make a press statement pertaining if I am there or if I'm not there. And I don't waste time with that. We believe that information is power. So once you have information that something's about to go wrong, I'm always very first to inform the people that this is not coming from us. Buyer beware.
Wonderful. One of our online users, one last question. One of our online users is saying that a lot of people say a lot of craziness, but lately that the compassion that the Okorocha, Uzodinma's administration and people like you, the compassion you have for and respect for the original owners of lands, not grabbing them and telling them go to hell. They are very appreciative of that, and they want you to continue doing a good job.
We'll do that. One of the cardinal principles of this administration is recovery. I will not stop at anything to recover about what belongs to Imo people back to Imo people.
Wonderful. God bless you.
My GM.
Yeah. So let's catch the area. This is the reclamation side, and then we've done the boundaries, and we are now delineating the boundaries for reclamation.